Good morning, friends. This is Himali from HR Tales. Hope you all are doing good today. Today it's a pleasant morning here, and we thought of exploring this morning. So, we have taken out our cycles, and me and Arya thought of exploring the streets, this village, cycling around, and seeing this pleasant place. So we have started from our homestay in Malvern, and we are riding our cycles on this peaceful, empty road. No one around. It's only me and Arya, and the pleasant morning. It's cloudy here today, as it's just rained some time back. Awesome weather. It's just pleasant cycling around here. It's very difficult to find this kind of peaceful roads, empty roads in Mumbai. Normally in Mumbai, at whatever time we start from our home and we are on road, we find people, we find some traffic, we find some vehicles running here and there. But here it's only me and Arya, no one around, no traffic, no vehicles, and we are enjoying this ride. Now it seems that we are heading towards some beach. Our caretaker had said that here the beaches are very nearby, so we just thought of cycling, and we have just cycled for around 2 minutes from our homestay, and we are about to reach a beach. So here we are at the Malvern beach. Awesome view here. Look at the clouds. Wow. It seems like a painting. Awesome. It's around 7 and time for sunrise, but it's very cloudy here today, and the cloud has painted the entire sky. And the sun is also hiding behind the clouds. See the rays. Arya has already parked her cycle, and she is in water now. She started enjoying the water there. It's a high tide time, and the waves are also reaching the shore. It's an awesome view. Few of the fishermen have started their morning rides in the shore. Overall, a pleasant sight. So awesome to see these clouds, to see this water. Arya didn't wanted to leave this place, so Arya even started cycling there. She just cycled on the shore. It was so peaceful. It was only me and Arya on the entire shore. We enjoyed the sight like anything. After this place, we started exploring few temples around. And so we took our cycles to this temple nearby.
Good morning, friends. Today early morning we have come to our favorite Ganpati Mandir in doing cycling. So it's me and Arya. Say good morning.
Good morning.
And we have come to cycling to this favorite mandir of ours.
So this is the mandir. It's very beautiful, white and golden in color. And if we go inside, and on the ceiling, there are the Ashtavinayaks.
And there's a golden Ganpati Bappa Murti.
I think that's real gold.
So we will just go out and do a darshan from outside, as we have not taken bath. This is lovely mandir. Because of rain. Yesterday again it was raining. अंदर मत जा, यहीं से दर्शन कर. जय गणपति बप्पा.
This is very nice and famous golden Ganesha temple, and a very peaceful and a calm temple. We will cover this temple once again in a different vlog. From here we went to Dev Moninath temple, that's also very nearby. And Dev Moninath ji was spiritual guru of Shivaji Maharaj. Seems this temple is built up some 350 years ago, and this temple is also very nice, very peaceful, very calm. The temple is closed right now. Seems to be we have come here early morning. But see the temple and the surroundings around. Very nice. This temple is near Malvin Beach. This temple gives a perfect village temple look. From there, we returned our cycle ride and we crossed the People Chowk and some old construction. We enjoyed the cycle ride very much. Hope you all had a lovely experience with us. Do subscribe our channel to discover how beautiful our country is. We are actually truly blessed. This is Himali from AHR Tales signing off and promise to come back with some great treat for your mind and soul in our next episode. Till then, stay fit, healthy and happy. Take care. Bye.